gonna learn these kanjis. These are kanji with kai. Let's learn about kanji kai first. This is kanji kai, meaning seashell. Long time ago, ancient people used the seashell as money. So kai tends to appear in a kanji related to money. Then let's learn these kanjis with kai. Here we go! The first kanji is kau. This image might help you memorize this kanji. これ買います。Moon-chan was buying a bamboo stick with a seashell. This illustrates a bamboo stick. And this is kanji kai, meaning seashell. This is kau. Then let's learn the definitions and how to read it. The definition of this kanji is to buy. Onyomi is buy. Kunyomi is kau. An example word is kau. An example sentence. 後でこれ買おう。Then next kanji is in. Peppy asked to show a membership card. This is a membership card. And this is kanji kai. This is in. The definitions of this kanji are member, employee, etc. Onyomi is in. There is no common kunyomi reading. An example word is 会員。あなたはこの店の会員ですか？ Next kanji is 貸す。貸します。Peppy lent a seashell instead of Moon-chan. This is kanji 代 meaning substitution. And this is kanji kai. This is 貸す. The definition of this kanji is to lend. Onyomi is 代. Kunyomi is 貸す. An example word is 貸す. Moon-chan は本を貸した。The last kanji is 質. Peppy said, there are some high quality words. I'll buy 2 of them for a seashell. This illustrates a chopped wood and axe. For more detail, please check this video. One more word. And this is kanji kai. This is 質. The definitions of this kanji are quality, matter, etc. Onyomi of this kanji is 質. 質. There is no common kunyomi reading. An example word is 質問. 質問があります。Lastly, we are going to answer to this question. What's the difference between 質問 and 問題? First, 質問. 質問 means to ask questions to others. When you ask your question to sensei or doctor, you'd say 質問があります. And 問題 is question or quiz. Also, this means issue, problem, matters to be concerned. So your quiz questions on your textbook is 問題. And if you have a problem with something, the problem is 問題.